What's up, guys? What's going on? It's Infinite Bikes here, and behind the camera it is Fox Squad BMXs. And I am doing my bike check. This is my bike right here. It looks pretty good. It's 24-inch. So I'm gonna go over what it's all about. So first, we have the black and green cranked frame. I have this white, really crappy shock that barely works.
700-pound shock.
It doesn't weigh 700 pounds. It can take 700 pounds. I have this black cranked seat.
It's from a BMX.
It's a BMX seat. I have these front disc brakes right here. And I have these cranked tires. I think they're 24-inch tires too. And this is I think 100 mil suspension fork.
125 mil right here.
Oh. And I have the thumb switches. This puts it into the harder gears. This puts it into the lower gears.
You got the brakes that don't even work.
I'm gonna get those fixed eventually. And I have these.
He got the Matthew signature bottle holder. Where is it? Right
It's
there.
right there. It only holds Gatorade bottles and that. I have these really grippy. They have these little spikes in there, so they really keep onto my shoes. Plastic pedals right there. I don't mind them. They aren't too bad. If they need to be replaced, I'll replace them. And these cranks, they're pretty good.
The cranked cranks.
Yeah, the cranked cranks. They're pretty good. I haven't had any problems with them.
Although with my bike over there, yeah, it sucks.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I have this SRAM X3 derailleur and X3 shifters. Wait, there's a name brand on the crank. Pure cranks. And I have, on my bottom bracket, I have this, like, I'm guessing cranked,
That's not a bottom bracket.
whatever, protects it from the chain.
The bottom bracket's your bearings right there. You can see it's actually been bent in by a chain.
Yeah. This is a full suspension mountain bike. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple wheelies because I can do those.
Yeah, I can do those too.
Yeah, kind of. But yeah, here's some wheelies. Probably isn't gonna be too good because I only have a limited driveway. Oh jeez! Didn't go straight away. Now I'm gonna try it again. Jeez! Alright, one more. I'll loop it out again. Then
My turn. Then it'd be my turn.
go subscribe to Fox Squad Productions or Fox Squad BMXs. Yeah. Try not to loop it out this time.
There, get some clips of me doing it. Let's get some clips of me wheeling it. I want a clip.
Okay guys, now I'm behind the camera. Miguel's there on his really crappy mountain bike. And here we go. See, mine's way more easier to loop out than his.
Well, me, it's harder to loop out than this one.
very soon. Jeez.
That hurt.
There will be a mountain bike head wheelie tutorial. This dude's an idiot. Alright, one more wheelie.
One more?
Alright. This is your last one. If you do sucky, then you suck. That's the same thing as the first one, but okay. And we are gonna end this one.
There.
Okay. So, thanks for watching this video, guys.
He took a picture trying to record this.
Yeah. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go check out Fox Squad Productions.
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.